Hello traders, the title of the video is Simple Stock Analysis Tips and Tricks using Trading Volume Spike. Now, what we are calling a trading volume spikes is a trading volume that is above the average trading volume. I always put on my chart the moving average 50 applied to the trading volume is the blue line here. Maybe I should change the color of it so you can see it on my chart. All right, give it a beautiful green color. Oh, all right, hold on please. Can you see it's not coming out clearly? Okay, color it red. Can you see that red line? Or maybe that's it. That's the red line moving average 50 applied to the trading volume. So that's the average trading volume. All right. So when we are talking about volume spike is above average trading volume, or sometimes you can just draw horizontal line on the average trading volume by looking at it like this. You see I draw horizontal line. So you just do it here. This is the average trading volume. But you want to pay attention also to the moving at 50 applied to the trading volume. So this is a spike of trading volume. Again, we have many trading volume spikes here. This is what we want to use. All right. So talking about a simple stock analysis tips and tricks using trading volume spike. The first thing that we want to find is there a volume spike? Yes. Okay, what do we need to do? So you know when you want to run, they give you they're ready to start. So everybody get into position, set, all right, ready, go. All right. So this is about set, get ready. So when you see the trading volume, it doesn't mean start trading. It means that start the preparation, get ready to find a high probability trading setup that will generate a valid trading signal. That's it. So when we see that this, whether you are day trading or swing trading, all you are looking for is the price to break above a prior high and to retest it or to turn around. You see here? So the volume spike was there, say set ready, be ready, to trade. So now we say wait. Oh, you see? So then in fact, here it is. So here it breaks above that resistance, but it didn't find a support. It went below it. That's what we are saying. So if it breaks below a retest, we want to implement a different time frame trading method. So some of you may not know what is a different time frame trading method. You can just go on YouTube and write top-down trading method by 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel. So you will see a playlist. Talking about a top-down trading method by 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel. All right, I recommend to trader to watch it on our channel because there are other discussions that trader made about top-down trading method. I do not agree with everything else. All right, so here it is. Now, if you were here after this candlestick see bar, this one here is closed. You implement a different time frame trading method, but you will notice that there was no signal to enter that trade. There was no signal to buy. You see, it turn around, this is good. It turn around and close. When you see the price doing that, turn around and close above it. Don't ask for anybody's permission. Be ready to buy. Price goes below a key level and turn around at this. Get ready to buy. Here it is, it went up. Yes or no? All right. So that's what we are looking for. We can also use a different strategy, a volume spike followed by a higher low. So there was this low here first. All right, now the price from a higher low. If the common set trend line, which is the trend line that we draw very close to the price broken, that's an invitation to buy. But again, here you want to be aware of that resistance. See, so you wait for that candlestick bar here to close first before you implement your top-down trading method to buy. Very simple and also powerful. Now, a lot of traders that have been following us will think that, George, I do not have to watch the full length for this trading tutorial. I recommend that you watch the full length for this tutorial also. All right. So what you will notice very often after the volume spike, all right, sometimes you may not see any more volume spike. So people very often will think that we have the volume decreasing. It's a mistake. All right, and then they will start selling anyhow. The only time that we want to sell is when the bullish trend line is broken or the price fails to display a new higher high after a higher low. So the price going up, The only time that we will attempt to sell is when the price failed to display a new higher high after a higher low. Okay, that's the only time that we will attempt to sell it. Otherwise, don't try to sell it. All right. So one thing also, so if you have the trading volume spike, very often after that you will see average trading volume after that. Now, the price can continue to go up under a light trading volume, provided that there was a volume spike before until the trend line is broken. So here it is, we have the volume spike. After that, we see average trading volume. But you see the price continue to display higher lows, higher high. All right, it doesn't mean sell. It means that look for an opportunity to buy on the edge of the trend line. So from a higher low, higher high, followed by a higher low. It's a bullish trading setup. You implement a top-down trading method to trade it. Stay with me, please. So you can see that the volume stay on average all the way through here. All right. Okay. And again here, we see again the price start forming a higher low, break above a key level and find support, start going up after this move down. Now, I don't want to stray away from the main topic today. Look carefully, okay? So we have a lot of volume spike in this session here. This strategy works more perfectly on the monthly chart. So you want to find the setup on the monthly chart and then go to probably to the daily chart for the signal, or when you get to the daily chart where the signal is fire, you can use the daily chart trading signal as a trading setup again, and then break it down again, daily chart, hourly time frame, 10-minute time frame for day trading purposes. Now we can apply this strategy on a daily chart, 4-hour time frame, 2-hour time frame, even an hourly time frame, but you need to be very careful when you are going to the lower time frame. So we have a lot of volume spike here. Okay, you see here. So this one was the first one here. Okay, there was a volume spike here with a vertical line there. Okay, price goes out from a higher low. What the price did here, it breaks above the P42 and retests it here. All right, you will attempt to buy there. All right, that's what we are talking about. All right, so when we see a volume spike and the price breaks above a key level and find a support, this is an invitation to buy. When we see a volume spike and the price break below a key level and find a resistance, that's an invitation to sell. So you see volume spike here, this one here, volume spike there, price from a higher low, invitation to buy. It went up, pull back, display a equal low, invitation to buy, forming a double bottom, that's an invitation to buy. It went up more, okay, here, it pulled back again, retest the same level, volume spike, followed by average trading volume in this session here. You see the movement of 50. Price is now forming a support at a level of 25.06. So you want to pay attention to the price and look for an opportunity to buy after a volume spike, confirming the volume spike with the price action. All right. So in a downtrend, if you see a volume spike, the price break below a key level and find a resistance, that's an invitation to sell. But what I want you to understand is that volume spike usually will be followed by average trading volume. All right, volume spike, as you can see here, followed by average trading volume. Now concentrate on the price. You see, finding a support near the median line of the P42. So look for bullish trading opportunities. All right. Volume spike, here it is. Pay attention mostly to the price action. Break above, retest, break below, retest. All right, that's what you are looking for. Break above, retest, break below, retest after volume spike, followed by average trade volume. So if you are here, volume spike, what are we looking for? Yeah, it breaks above this level of $46.61 later on. Sometimes you may not see the trading setup straight away, and then you take it from there. Or you can look, if you look carefully, pay attention to the prior highs. There was a high here, you see. There was this high here. Are you with me? This high here. The price breaks above it and a final support. Now you want what we mean by break above and final support. It means that it breaks above, it retests it, and the common center line is broken, meaning that another candlestick buy breaks that common center line. That's your invitation to buy. So that's what I meant by break above and final support. Meaning that breaks above, retest, common center line is broken, and now you are ready to buy using a different time frame method. So you see here, volume spike, average trading volume, break above, retest. Volume spike, all right, average trading volume, breaks above, retest. All right, just very simple. All right, stock analysis tips and tricks using the trading volume spike. All right, if you see volume spike, break below, retest, turn around, that's an invitation to sell. If we go, hold on, please. I will go, if you go, for instance, to the 4-hour time frame. I don't want the video to be too long. Am I going too far now? 11 minutes. Okay, let's see here on the 4-hour time frame. Like I said before, it works more on the higher time frame, but we can play with it too. Let's use this one here. Volume spike. So you can draw a vertical line there. So what are you looking for? Break above, retest, turn around, break above, or break below, retest, and final support. So here you are. So there was this prior high here. All right. The price was a bit messy there. You see? But you see, so it went above it, okay, it breaks above that resistance. But you can see that what the price is doing. There's this trend line here. If you follow carefully, the price was following. If I draw it roughly like this, if I was retesting that trend line instead of coming all the way to retest that support level. So be aware of the trend line also. So this one here, I will be interested in this one. Volume spike, I am retesting, okay, a bullish trend line, okay, it's a breaks above, couldn't retest this one. I will pay attention also to the candlestick bar. Okay, you see, it become a bit messy now, yes or no? All right. So now again, you see here, break below, you see volume spike, right there. Now it's below, it's retesting, okay, common centralized couple, break below, final resistance, common couple. You can scalp trade this one gently, because we are now dealing with market noise, all right? It's a powerful market principle when the financial instrument breaks below a key level, okay, retest it. Now finally, now it's coming to retest it now, okay. This is a trend line here. As you can see on the 4-hour time frame, it's a bit messy. If I'll check another financial, I'll bring on now. Hold on, please. Stay with me, please. I'm under a time pressure, so another financial instrument. This time I'll go on the daily chart. All right. So daily chart, can you see here? Daily chart, volume spike. Where is it? This one. Everybody agrees? Yes or no? So what are we looking for? Breaks above, retest, turn around. Okay. So there were these support level. So now volume spike. What do we see here? It breaks above and they give a higher low. Sometimes you may not retest it exactly, but what we are saying, find a support above it, means that common center line, any common center is broken. When now you see breaks above it, common center is kaput, invitation to buy, yes or no? All right. Now you see the light trading volume, right, continue to go up. All right. It retests, very important. So now what's happening here? It was retesting this high here. So you retest this high. Now the common center line is kaput, invitation to buy. All right. And any higher low after that on the edge of a trend line is also good for us. You see now this trend line is retesting it there, and the common center kaput. Again, invitation to buy. Break below. Now you see the trend line. Use the trend line. Don't use only the horizontal line. Okay, pay attention to the trend line also. Yeah, break below, retest. All right, down. All right, you see now. So that's on the daily chart. All right, I can use another financial instrument. It's a very simple strategy, but as I told you, it works beautifully on the monthly chart. You'll find solid trading setup using this strategy. So volume spike. All right, you want to find the best setup. All right. So there was the volume spike there. Right there, yes or no? So after that, what's happening? What the price did, here it is. That volume spike is followed by breaks above retest. You see here, breaks above retest. You see, work on it. As always, you learn something new. Okay, practice, use a demo account until you master it. You want to master the different time frame trading method, okay? All of them. Daily chart, hourly time frame, 10-minute time frame, 4-hour time frame, 50-minute time frame, 3-minute time frame, or 5-minute time frame, all right, and so on. Or at least hourly time frame, 5-minute time frame. Combine at least 2 time frame. Monthly chart, daily chart, okay? Hourly time frame for swing trading, and so on, okay? Break it down. We're using a different time frame trading method to control the risk. Okay, use this for day trading. Okay, if you go to the combine 2-hour time frame, all right, see volume spike, the same thing here, the same thing we see on the daily chart. Volume spike, breaks a ball, retest on the 2-hour time frame, and then implement your top down trading. You may scalp less, even if you go on a 5-minute time frame, 50-minute time frame. You want to combine, you want to pay attention to the volume spike that are the trading setup. So you want to draw first, okay, key levels. Suppose you are going on a 15-minute time frame or 5-minute time frame for scalping. First, at least go to the daily chart, draw all the key support, resistance, trend line, all right, market geometry, everything, all right, on your daily chart before switching to the 5-minute time frame, before applying this strategy, which means you want to use this strategy and take the signal that are occurring on a higher time frame, on or near a higher time frame key level. All right. So this will conclude our discussion today about the simple stock analysis tips and tricks using a trading volume spike. So you see a trading volume spike, you get ready. All right. Don't rush, don't buy, don't sell. Just wait. Now wait, price breaks above a key level, financial support. What do I mean by breaks above a key level and financial support? I mean it breaks above it, it retests it, and the common sense is kaput, is broken. The common sense is broken. Now implement a different time frame trading method to trade. All right. You can break above normal horizontal key level. You can break above a trend line. You can break above a peaceful tool, and so on. Break above, retest. That's the key point. Or volume spike, break below, retest, turn around. Very important. Now implement a different time frame trading method to buy or sell. Don't just buy. If this video has been truly useful to you, please let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you dislike it, mark it down. If you think this is an essential tutorial that can help other stock traders, feel free to share with your friends on Tumblr, Google+, Twitter, and also on Facebook. If you are watching this video on YouTube, all right, and you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel today. It is free, and be sure to click on the notification bell so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. If you're on YouTube and you don't know what we are doing on our Facebook page is Stochastic MACD, Stochastic-MACD. Okay, Facebook pages. You can Google it, and then you can also like our Facebook page. If you're on a Facebook page, please like our Facebook page, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel for stock trading is 24 Stock Trader, digit 2, digit 4 Stock Trader. Subscribe to our YouTube channel also, so you may know what we are doing, because sometimes I'm posting first on YouTube, sometimes I'm posting first on Facebook, so it's all there for you. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about simple stock analysis tips and tricks using trading volume spike. Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you very soon. Thank you for watching.